Have you ever wondered how clinical trials ensure patient safety and ethical research? The answers lies in good clinical practice, the global gold standard that governs how clinical trials are conducted. I am Arpita from CliniLaunch, and in this video we'll break down what GCP is and why is it matters, the key principle of GCP, and why GCP certification is essential for your career in clinical research. Stay till the end for insider tips on GCP certification and job opportunities in 2025. What is good clinical practice? GCP or good clinical practice is a set of international ethical and scientific guidelines that ensures clinical trials are safe, well documented, patients' right, safety, and well-being are protected. Trial results is credible and globally accepted. Who developed GCP? ICH GCP created these global guidelines. Regulatory agencies like FDA, EMA, CDSCO, and MHRA enforce them worldwide. Did you know without GCP compliance, a clinical trials data can be rejected by regulator, costing millions of dollars in delays? Key principles of GCP. GCP is built on 13 key principles that governs every single clinical trial. Here are the most important ones. Ethical conduct and patient safety. Trials must follow the declaration of Helsinki to ensure patient right and safety comes first. Informed consent is mandatory before enrolling the patients. Scientific validity and protocol compliance. Each trial must have a clear protocol that approved by an ethics committee and international review board. All investigators must follow standardized trial procedure that ensure accurate data. Qualified investigators and proper training. Trials must be conducted by trained, certified, and experienced professionals. This is why ICH GCP is required for most of the clinical research jobs. Confidentiality and data integrity. Patient data must be kept confidential and comply with GDPR, HIPAA, and CDSCO privacy laws. Electronic data capture system ensure accurate and tamper-proof trial records. Quality control and audit. Regulatory agencies audit trial to ensure compliance. Non-compliance can result in fines, legal action, and trial termination. If you are applying for a clinical research role, employers will ask if you understand GCP and its key principles. Case 1. Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine trial. The trial followed strict GCP protocols, ensuring rapid approval while maintaining safety. AI-powered GCP compliance monitoring helped track adverse effects in real time. Case 2. The Tuskegee-Seifel study 1932 to 1972, a GCP violation. In this unethical study, participants were not given informed consent and were denied treatment. This scandal led to the creation of modern GCP guidelines to protect patients. Lesson learned. Following GCP protects both patients and researchers, ensuring trust in clinical trials. Thinking about a career in clinical research? GCP certification is must. Why get GCP certified? It's mandatory for roles in clinical trials, pharmacovigilance, and medical writing. Employers prefer candidates with ICH GCP certification. It increases your chance of landing a job in top CROs and pharma companies. GCP certification is required for jobs like Clinical Research Coordinator, Clinical Research Associate, Clinical Data Manager, Regulatory Affairs Specialist, Pharmacovigilance Manager. Pro tip: most hiring managers won't even shortlist you without a valid GCP certificate. Want to get GCP certified? Here is how you can do it. Step 1. Enroll in an ICH GCP training program. Choose a recognized institute like CliniLaunch. Opt for self-paced online or instructor-led training. Step 2. Complete the GCP course and pass the exam. Learn about trial design, ethics, documentation, and data integrity. Step 3. Add your GCP certification to your resume. Highlight certifications in job applications to boost your chance. Apply to top CROs and pharma companies hiring a GCP certified professional. CliniLaunch offer industry recognized GCP training with career guidance and placement support. So are you ready to start your career in clinical research with GCP certification? Visit clinilaunchresearch.in to enroll in GCP training. Follow Clini Launch on LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube for expert career insights. Subscribe now to stay updated on clinical research trends.